Hi, this is Sean Beckett. I am so glad to get to be part of your class this semester, and I'm sorry that the technology didn't quite work out well enough, but I'm taking your advice and sending you an intro video. So my name is Sean. I grew up not far away in New Haven, Connecticut, just a couple-hour drive away. And it's impossible to tell a story of how I got involved with poetry without mentioning a lot of important people who have inspired me along the way. First of all were my parents, who were wonderful to read me poetry and to get me to memorize poetry. I memorized things like Tiger, Tiger, Burning Bright, a famous William Blake poem, and a poem called The Eagle by Alfred Lord Tennyson. When I got older, I went to a school not far away, actually in Andover, Massachusetts. And the man in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, named Anthony Morales, he came and gave a performance. And my mind was completely blown in 10th grade as he came and just shared stories about his life. And through the medium of poetry, I was absolutely captivated. So later, when I went to college, I went to Yale University. I had the opportunity to be part of a spoken word group and a performance poetry team and to compete nationally at different slam poetry competitions. And this woman, just to the left of Anthony Morales, Alicia Harris, was actually my coach, which was a blessing beyond a blessing. She's competed in Brave New Voices. She's won national competitions, and she is an incredible both written and performance poet, one of the artists I most deeply admire, and a woman that's just really, really, really impacted how I think about language and how I write myself. The last 5 years, I've been actually teaching at a place called Odyssey Leadership Academy way down in Oklahoma City. A really amazing school for middle and high school students, and I've been getting to teach many courses, but also courses on poetry and teaching a spoken word elective, which has been a lot of fun. But now I'm part of Boston University. Miraculously, I was accepted to be part of the 1 year MFA in poetry program. So I'm getting to work with some incredible poets, including the man in the lower left-hand corner. His name is Robert Pinsky, and he was the poet laureate for 3 straight years. In fact, so he was the official poet of the United States, and he is actually the one that helped facilitate the connection between Boston University and BAA many years ago, and he absolutely loves BAA and loves that we get to be a little part of what you all are doing on a daily basis. So I find it a real honor to get to be with you. I'm very excited about it. A couple other people on this page, Sarah Kay is a spoken word artist up on the top. John Steinbeck, novelist, is down the bottom. And then one of my all-time favorite spoken word artists, Joshua Bennett. Search him online, watch his videos over and over like I have. I was asked to say a little bit about my writing process. One of the things that's been increasingly important to me is memorizing the work of other artists. So I don't think you can see, maybe I can move myself. William Butler Yeats in the top right-hand corner is a poet that I'm currently memorizing some of his pieces, and I've also been memorizing some of Joshua Bennett's work, and I'll be working on some Sarah Kay and Alicia Harris work as well. I hope that answers a little bit about who I am. I'm very excited to be working with all of you in all the different genres that you're working in. I also love writing songs. I like to write plays, etc., write short stories, all that kind of thing. So I'm excited to be just a little part of your year this year, and looking forward to hearing more about you in the coming weeks. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later.